In this video, how to create a moving rectangle animation in Camtasia. This effect is great for highlighting areas of your video or adding a dynamic visual element. First, drag a rectangle shape onto your timeline. Resize and position the rectangle in the canvas to where you want it to start. Next, drag a custom animation effect onto the rectangle. Select the endpoint of the animation, then position the rectangle in the canvas to where you want. If you want the rectangle to move through several points, add additional custom animations. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.